Hello Donut fam, Glazy here. Today we will walk through the data backtesting feature in D0. First, D0 comes with 20 built-in backtesting signal strategies, including Bollinger Bands, RSI, and MACD, etc. Of course, you can also use your favorite skills and more advanced trading strategies from Twitter to run backtests with D0. For instance, whenever we come across a strategy, we are usually curious to know if it can actually make money like those CT are calling in recent market conditions. You can simply ask, hey D0, could you please run a backtest on the BTC Bollinger strategy using the last month of data? Please set the stop loss at 5%, observe the results, trade only in the direction of the daily trend, and calculate the win rate and PNL. At this point, Zero starts running and fetches the relevant candlestick data for the specified time frame. In its response, it's supposed to give you the total return, win rate, maximum drawdown, and total trades, giving you complete clarity on the strategy's win rate and profitability. So, we can see that for the BTC Bollinger strategy over the past month, the calculated return was positive 0.93%. During the backtesting period, it opened 3 long positions and 1 short, and it considers the strategy to be relatively conservative. From here, we can naturally follow up by giving it a specific initial capital amount and leverage to see whether it can turn a genuine profit. In this way, you can verify whether a strategy is trustable, all thanks to D0. If that sounds useful, follow us on X and YouTube for more tutorials, and try D0 at getdonut.ai. Donut.